Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived two best friends, Aisha and Ali. Every evening after helping their parents, they would sit under a big tree and watch the sky. One night they saw the bright round moon shining above.
Ali, do you know who made the moon?
Asked Aisha with big curious eyes. Ali thought a moment.
I think it was Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. My dad told me that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made everything, the moon, the stars, and the sun.
That's right.
Aisha said happily.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created everything in the whole world. He is so kind and He loves all of us.
As they watched the moon together, Aisha's mom called them for bedtime. Before sleeping, Aisha whispered a little prayer.
Thank you, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for the moon and the stars. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya.
Lesson: Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator of everything around us, from the moon to the stars, and He loves us very much.